Alright, how we doing? This one right here, just a quick one. I've had the urge to record, but never could think of what to actually record. So, just gonna do a PC part picker build, real quick. I think I know what I want. Pentium. You. We're gonna rock this. We're gonna make this a esports build, so it's got to be cheap, cheap, cheap. I'm actually going to wait on the cooler for now. We're going to make a super cheap esports build. Like, it doesn't have to be anything special at all. Would like if I could overclock. Hold on. Is the Pentium G4560 even overclockable? I'm fairly certain it is. It has hyper-threading. I mean, that tells me uh, I'm almost positive it does. We're not gonna go with the Z170. I think, yeah, that would raise the price too much. So we're gonna go with a micro ATX. Anything else I need? All right, we're still gonna get something not terrible here. We'll go with this. It's Asus B150 board. See what she got. DDR3 memory. Hold on. The G4560 probably doesn't even support DDR3. Doesn't say. Great. Time to do some digging. Okay, it has DDR3 support. Interesting. What are these compatibility issues? Yeah, whatever. So we've got that. We'll go some memory. DDR3 drops the price down 1866 because that's what it was. We want a 4 gig kit. Go away. Cheapest 4 gig kit. Perfect. Storage. Since we're going to be doing esports stuff, doesn't need to be crazy fast. But we are going to get an SSD. And I think this is all we're going to keep is the SSD. 256 gig Mushkin reactor. That'll be our storage. Because you're probably going to play like CSGO and League of Legends on this thing. Which means we want 1050 Ti or the 560. 550, my apologies. There we go. Yes, that's what we want. Let's eat. Ooh, I got the hiccups. Excuse me. Yeah, we'll go with the power color because it's $10 cheaper. We're going to make this super budget friendly. Case really doesn't matter. Any micro ATX tower. And Color doesn't matter, we'll just black. Filter by price, of course. Cooler Master Master Box 3. It's gonna have some good quality, that's for sure. Let's grab that. 30 bucks. Now this is specifically for someone that's like, you know, I really want to play CSGO and League of Legends, and that's about it. So we had a 200 watt power draw, probably going to get a 430 watt ATX, not modular, 80 plus bronze. EVGA 450 watt, 30 bucks. And does this board come with Wi-Fi? Onboard Ethernet, but not Wi-Fi, which means wireless network adapter. Come on. I don't even know if it has USB 3.0 headers. Oops. Onboard USB 3. Sweet. Come on. USB 3.0 AC. Cheapo TrendNet. Now, stock cooler on it. We'll get like a Hyper T12 Evo. Come on. Usually it's like the first thing. Holy crap. Wow. Is it not by Cooler Master? Is that the issue? I was almost positive. What? Okay, fine. Hyper T2. Almost positive the T12 is what I want, or 212 is what I wanted, but whatever. Whatever. Alright, anything else I can possibly think of? I think we're good. Like I said, it was going to be a super short one, because I was just doing a build for esports just because I can. Alright. Yeah, that's gonna do it right there. Under 500 bucks. I could totally make this cheaper if I really needed to, but I think we're good right here. So, 213 watts is our estimated power draw, running a Intel Pentium G4560, 3.5 gigahertz dual core with hyper-threading, so essentially 4 threads. The Cooler Master Hyper T2 for cooling on that. Awesome cooler, cheap price too. And then motherboard running the Asus B150M plus D3. It's a micro ATX board. RAM, we're running the G-Skill Ripjaws X series, a 4 gig kit at 1866 megahertz. Storage, we're just running the Mushkin Reactor 256 gig solid state. Just for esports stuff, that'll be your Windows installation and all of the esports games you could possibly want. You're not really going to need a whole bunch of storage if that's the sole purpose for this. Video card, running the Power Color RX 550 Red Dragon. Again, esports games aren't terribly graphics intensive, so you don't need anything too crazy. The 550 should run all your esports stuff perfect. Case, the Cooler Master Master Box Lite 3. Cheap case. It's actually on sale right now on Newegg with a mail-in rebate. Plenty of airflow for what we're trying to do. Power supply, the EVGA 450 watt. It's an 80 plus bronze, not modular, not even semi-modular, just to keep the price down. And for Wi-Fi, looking at the TrendNet TEW 805UB, it's a USB 3.0 802.11 ABGNAC Wi-Fi adapter. You're not going to get crazy fast speeds. This is bottom of the line USB 3.0 stuff, just so that we have it. All that's running us $417. And just to make sure here, meh. Yeah, that's fine. You're just overvolting by a millivolt. No, that's not a millivolt. A tenth of a volt, sorry. Millivolt, my ass. Prices actually looked like they all just came down for the most part, so you're probably not going to see much more of a dip. But, I mean, 400 bucks. You're getting something that'll play most of the games that people play. So, awesome. That's going to do it for now. As always, the parts list link will be in the description, so you can get to this page and use this exact list if you'd like, or tweak it and use this as a base. Other than that, I will see you in the next one. Oh, before I go, I'm actually going on vacation this week, so I'm going to have a whole bunch of videos from the vacation to upload when I get back. It's all going to be biking videos because I'm going to Whistler mountain bike or downhill park. So that's going to be fun. Lots of fun stuff for that. I actually have a whole bunch of mountain bike videos that I need to dump off of my SJ cam, edit, upload, blah blah blah. I've just been fairly busy lately. Lots of things to do. But we'll get back into it. So, I will see you guys next time.